Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to find watch later playlist on YouTube. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in with your account or your YouTube account with your desired email, and then head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then just there you'll be able to see a playlist option. Right there can be several playlists: the playlist you made, or the watch later list, or the liked video lists. The videos you have liked on your YouTube channel, it will be just sorted in here as a playlist, and the videos you just saved for watch later, they will form a playlist like this one. So if you click on the watch later, you can just find the videos you have just put aside for watch later. And yeah, there goes the way in which you can see your watch later list on your YouTube. Hope this video will help you out,